Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope you are doing well and gaining knowledge from my tutorials. Today I am excited to introduce a brand new website concept that's trending massively in the era of AI, which is AI Tools Directory website. Yes, you heard right. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can easily build this type of AI Tools website using the WordPress and with very minimal plugins and the resources. So before we begin, let me give you a quick preview of the website and let you familiar with the features and functionalities, and then we will jump straight into the tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start from this header. On the left hand side I have placed some social icons. Okay, just beside we have this nice logo. On the other side I'll show some menu items where you can toggle in the home, where you can switch in between home, explore, okay, and the submit tool button. By clicking this you will redirect to the page which includes a submission tool form. Alright, and just below we have this nice, which is a clean and attractive hero section featuring the main titles, and I have added a soft gradient just beside this main container, okay, to make the design stand out and look more modern. Now moving to the main container of this website. So here I have displayed a clean grid layout showing all AI tools, and on the left hand side we have this category panel that helps users quickly find the exact tool they are looking for, they are searching for. This is the search. Alright, and also listed some categories on this panel, okay, so that user can easily navigate to the tool within that categories. Alright, so just like chatbots, code assistants, design tools, etc. Alright, also you can easily search the tool by typing here. This is the default search of the WordPress, so you can easily find out the whatever the tool you are looking for in this website. So this is also good for the user experience. Alright, just click on this all tools and you will have all the tools which you have posted in this website. Now scrolling to downward side, you will see here this is the sticky sidebar. Pretty cool, right? And to improve the browsing experiences even more, this sticky bar will help the users to have filter option in the view. Alright, just below that I have added a feature tool sidebar, and thanks to Elementor's loop build feature you can design fully customized sliders with any layout you prefer. Moving further down, I have showcased multiple category blocks with related tools just like chatbots, code assistants, design tools, image generation, okay, and showing some tools related to that category, which makes it even easier for the users to discover the tools they need. Below that, alright, and at the end of these tools you will see explore all button. By clicking on it, the user will redirect this to the particular category just like this. Alright, again we have this nice archive page which is customized page. Alright, on the left hand side you will see the similar category sidebar or the panel, alright, which will help to navigate the tools using the categories. Alright, so basically this is the menu categories. You can navigate through tools using this sidebar. Alright, just go back to the home page again. Now below that you will find a section displaying real users reviews completely designed using the Elementor's grid system. for a clean and structured look. Next, I have included a modern newsletter section, this time using the Forminator plugin for both the newsletter and the tool submission form, which I'll be showing shortly. Alright, so you just need to add this mail way and then subscribe button. Finally, we have this footer area which is customizing the Elementor. I have shown some about para, quick links just like about, contact, FAQ, categories, alright, and some guideline pages like submission guidelines, reviewing process, FAQs for creators. Okay, so you can also create these pages if you want to. And just below I have shown a submit tool button which will redirect the user to the submission form. Alright, here the copyright section, some legal pages. Now let's move on to the submission form. So just click on the submit tool. So this is the tool submission form which is completely designed or built using the Forminator plugin. Here users can enter all the essential details of their tool such as tool name, website URL, category, pricing type, okay, featured image, logo, features, alright, and their name and email address. So once this form gets submitted, then all the details will be delivered to the admin panel, and from there we have to just review all the eligibility of the tool and then get published and then gets published on our website. So this is the basic flow of this AI tool category websites. Alright, now so this is the features of these tools at the website, and you are free to extend the features as well. Alright, now let me show you the detail page of the websites. First let's go move to the home page, and now click on any of the tool, let's say Pixels. So you will have this type of detail page or detail post where I have shown a featured image, the title of the tool, some description, pricing just like freemium, category, alright, and go to tool button which will direct this to the main URL link, some features and best suitable for, and also shown the popularity bars. Alright, so basically this bar haven't been fully integrated. I was thinking about to just remove or just keep these bars here just to compare the tools with the among all. Alright, so this will help users to take the decision, or they will know how this tool is performing well across all the available tools. Alright, so we will implement this tool or this performance analytics bar at the time of tutorial. Alright, it's completely responsive, you can see here. Check the menu bar, this is the mobile menu. You will see here chatbots, questions, design tools, and all the categories which you will set in your website. Just go to the tools and you will see here everything is responsive from top to bottom. Alright, so this is our AI tool directory website which we are going to create in this tutorial. Alright, now to download this website just go to webco.co.in and there just find this website. You will see here at the first, this is the recent uploaded. Okay, just click on it and from here you can download. Alright, so for that you need to just log in to this website and then you can completely download for free and then upload in your website. Alright, so I hope you like this concept and features. So if you are very interested to start this kind of website using the WordPress, then this is for you. Within a few using very nominal and a very few resources, we can create this complete website fully functional. Alright, now it's time to just move on to the tutorial, and without wasting the further, let's move on to the WordPress dashboard.